Damn.
So it's a double shower here. It's got the, so you can see the water dropping up there. It's kind of like it was custom made, don't it? We got a little bit better view up here. Come break your neck on. That's the east pool over there, y'all. We gonna leave. They even got a playground. Sls Lux. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man. We back with another video for y'all, man. Step on in. Let me show y'all how we living for this weekend, man. Bam. Back downtown. We're back in Miami, man, at the Brickell. We at the Sls Lux Hotel, man. So let me give y'all a little tour how we living for the night. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell. Like this video, like the last videos. Tune into the next video. It ain't even came out yet, but yeah, y'all know what I mean. We gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. Let me give y'all a little tour of this SLS. I've been wanting to stay here for a while. It's my first time staying here. It's pretty nice so far. It's a 5-star hotel. This is the hotel side we own. They got a hotel side, and they got a resident side as well. I don't know which room this is. I have to look it up. I think this is a 2-queen or a 2-bed. I forget what it's called. It's a pretty big room. You first walk in, you got this little sitting area right here. Got a TV. I don't know if it's a smart TV or not. It's a Samsung smart TV. You got the smart TV with all your apps. You probably get on YouTube and everything else right here. You see here, bam, TV apps. Yeah, I'm sure they got Netflix, YouTube, all that stuff. They got a money app. I wonder what that is. I wonder what this XO thing is. I like XOXO, like, I mean, hugs and kisses or something like that. Got this XOXO thing. One closet right there. Dang, well, that smells good in there. Super clean in here, y'all, too. Super clean in here. Washer and dryer. So I don't know if this is a resident or if this is the hotel side. This is off Airbnb, so it's got to be a resident unit. So it's probably a resident unit. I'm not sure if the staff use. I ain't for sure if the hotel side is like this or not, but it's the Airbnb side. Pillows in there, another closet. You got a sink. Sink right here. They got, I ain't never seen nobody have Essentia water. That's dope. That's just, hold on. Did I bring that water? That might be one of my water. They got Fiji though. Alright, we got a refrigerator. So the water can go in the refrigerator. Boop. Some cleaning supply under there. We got one bathroom. Yeah, one bathroom. Bathroom pretty nice. One sink. You would think they had a double sink in here, but they only got one sink. One sink. I like this shower though. This shower kind of elegant, ain't it? Super elegant. Look how high up the get that. Look how high up the shower head is.
Damn.
So it's a double shower head. It's got the big drop and then it's got the. I wonder if that's handheld. I gotta step in here. Fuck it.
What's your shoes on?
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, that's a portable shower head. Where the button at to hide the privacy for the window? Now they got some special buttons where you hit the button and you can see through, then you hit the one button and you can't see through. So we go to the rest of the room, y'all. See, that's the window to the bathroom. So you can see the water dropping up there, but you can't see inside the shower. That's dope. That's probably why they did it like that. You got the 2 bed. I like the mirrors in the background. It's kind of like it was custom made, don't it? They probably custom made these for the whole building. Somebody probably designed this and they made it for the whole building. So that's how I want my bedroom suit to be at home. I'm about to get me a new bedroom, so I miss my old bedroom suit with the big mirrors in the back. So, they got the supposed to be a flower.
Yep, that's what it looks like.
Well, I thought this was attached. I thought I was supposed to pick up the whole thing. That's the rag. And the towels. And we got 2 couches. That's crazy. 2 couches, wrap around couches. Damn. Super nice. Super nice. And then we got I didn't think we had a good view because we was on the 2nd floor, but I would still count this as a good view. Let me show y'all what we talking about here. Down there in Brickell. Got a nice little view besides this construction right here. So we're the mall. That's the East Hotel right there.
Something's smoking.
That's the East Hotel right here. I'm gonna stay there too one time. I heard it's real nice in there too. And then let me show y'all. I think the mall is. I want to say the mall is straight ahead, right by the Apple Store, on down. The mall over there too. That's the escalator to get up in there. I remember that too. Damn. The high-rise buildings. Damn. So it's pretty nice so far, y'all. I'm about to go in here and get myself together. Then I'm gonna take y'all to the pool and to the amenities and show y'all what the amenities look like. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Word, he's thugging right here, y'all. We got a little bit better view up here. He moved over. A lot of restaurants and stuff down there. I think that's the regular SLS. We in the SLS Lux. I think that might be the regular SLS. That's pretty cool. They got a little area over here. Elevators and shit. All of that shit. Alright. They got this music playing. Fitness area right there. Got tennis courts. How you get it open? Nah, you gotta scan the card. Let me see if this works, y'all. Scan the card right here. I can't get it to scan, but they gotta, focus in for y'all. basketball court, tennis court. They got mini golf over here. Mini golf. Let's see what else they got. They got a salon over in there. Hair salon. Restrooms back over here. Got a little lounge area over here. It's 5-star. What else they got over here? Got some more workout equipment. They even got a rock climbing wall. Come break your neck on. And you can't forget about the kids. They even got a playground. I ain't never seen this before at a hotel. A rooftop playground. Wait, the rooftop with the little side roof deck. What pool area is that? I think that's the east right there. That's the east pool over there, y'all. We're gonna check that hotel out another day. That's another 5-star hotel down here in Brickell. Like the east might have a hot tub. See, it's pretty nice out here. I think I would definitely come back and stay here for sure. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing right now. Go hit that subscribe button for me. Subscribe and hit that post notification bell, man. We're gonna keep running the numbers up. Alright, fam, I thought I'd get y'all to after sunset view. It ain't quite all the way dark, but it's slightly dark, and as you can see, the Brickell and the city center signs are starting to light up now. I also noticed something else too over here after playing around for a second. Look what they got over here. What I found over here was one of these drawers, so that's the silverware. But look down here, it's a mini dishwasher in here. What the heck? I ain't never seen one of these before. They got a mini dishwasher in here. And if you come up here, I ain't even peeped, they got a microwave in here. You can microwave your food. Toaster, like a teapot, coffee pot, and glasses and plates in here. Yes, I thought I'd show y'all that as well. There go the lobby, y'all. Private residence only. Damn. And the lights up there. Tahoe truck. Got pink Urus over there. G-Wagon over there. As soon as you walk outside, you in action. Got a C8 right there. Then one step behind the C8. That's a Benz behind the C8. Yeah, as soon as you walk out, you in action. City center. You got the Sls Lux. Sign right there, and that's the rainbow stripes that everybody be